say the dignitaries present here for this gathering, Professor Sushant Kumar Sethi, Professor K.R. Singh and Professor B.U. Devier. So thank you so much, sir, for your esteemed presence and making this day wonderful. Now, moving on, as speaking about this day, we all know that 2nd October is always a special day in the history of India. Ever since 1915, when Gopal Krishna Gokhale, as said, the political guru of Gandhi, called him to India from South Africa to hand over the Indian freedom struggle, he came in India and he really made a name for himself. From the Champaran agitation to the Quit India movement, Gandhi was the only pillar of the Indian freedom struggle. And he made sure that in every aspect of life, when he moved with people in unison. So, there are a few facts that I would like to tell you that on 15 June 2007, the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution which declared that 2nd October will be commemorated as the International Day of Non-Violence. And there is also a special fact relating to the name of our dear Father of India. So Subhash Chandra Bose, as we know him as one of the greatest freedom fighters of India, he gave this name to Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation for his relentless struggle for independence. Now, as we are all present here, we also know that alongside Mahatma Gandhi, we also have Shastri Ji's birthday. So he was one of the most what I would say the dedicated leaders that the young India or the free India has ever seen. During his time in the Prime Ministership, during his time in his office, he supported a lot of movements, and I have two of them inscribed in my mind. While one of them was the White Revolution that supported the national campaign to increase the production of milk. And secondly, understanding the need to boost India's food production, Shastri Ji promoted Green India Revolution, which increased the amount of food grains and made it surplus to the people of India. So it was very well seen in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. So while he was in the office, in 1965 Indo-Pakistan war took place, and his slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan became very popular. Let me tell you, there are numerous achievements and contributions for such noble personalities, and it will be very unjustified of me to bring them into words and tell you. So this was it from my side. Thank you so much, and I hope that you will also give your best while reciting this. Okay, I forgot to tell you that this is going to be an oratory competition, so best of luck to all the participants present here. My name is Harsh Mishra, and thank you so much.